Hello, this is my first video. Little nervous. So I've been wanting to do this for some time. So just testing it out. So the reason I wanted to do this is to stop umming when I speak. I want to document some succulent propagation, succulent, I don't know, saving. Maybe connect with someone. Another thing is, we had COVID, my husband and I, a few weeks ago, and all of these just got so neglected. We were out for like 2 weeks, and in that time, I think ants got in here and brought in a lot of mealybugs. So I've lost a few due to non-watering and a lot of mealybugs. And also some of them got burnt. This is my, I don't know if you can call it a DIY greenhouse. It's a Wendy house, and I had the zinc roof removed, like that one over there, and I had these, I don't know, plastic sheets put on, corrugated, and they were just too much. It had like a magnifying glass effect. You know, when you take a magnifying glass and you kill ants, you focus the sun on them. Yeah, that's what happened here. A lot of them got burnt. Some of them I could save, some of them I could not. So I put some old frost cover on top here. Just sewed it up just to make sure it fits. It seemed to help, but it still gets incredibly hot in here. So that, mealybugs, non-watering, lost so many. So for this summer, we haven't really had a summer because we've had so much rain. Then the one time we do have a heat wave, I can't do anything about it, and they all got burnt. Let's see. This one here, freckles, burnt and mealybugs. This one, mealybugs. Try to put this stuff on it. Everywhere. Yeah, it's not helping. I need to do more aggressive work on it. Dead. Mealybugs. Some mealybugs. Dead. 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 I think these are still okay. Dead. These ones here are my rare and imported ones that I've been collecting. These are some recent purchases. They seem to do okay because they're by the window and by the door that was open with a little barricade to keep the dogs out. So they got some good ventilation. They didn't dry up. They managed the heat very well. And they don't seem to be attacked by the mealybugs. So they've done amazing. Look at this guy. Look at this flowers. I think we have one fatality here. Pink jelly bean. But I have another one. Some Agavoides Halloween. And a Heart's Delight Hedgehog Propagations. Got quite a few pups. And that was George, my pit bull. Probably chasing cats. Okay. More fatalities. I don't even remember what that was. More. These are my little props. More. Oh, look at that one. Dead. I'm sorry if the video quality is crappy. I'm still learning. But if you like shaking like this. Oh, this was a Romeo I saw this morning that was mostly rotting. I try to save it. There's a whole bunch down here. Try to save. Here's the Romeo I took out this morning. Got all the rotten pieces off. Let it dry. Here's one. It's got some roots going. Can probably still save it. There's another one. Root growing. This is a party dress. It was big and beautiful. This is all that's left. Because of all the rain, a lot of the succulents in the yard pretty much turned to mush. This is what I could save of the party dress. And I think, I don't know what this is. See, cut off a rotten stem and growing some roots. So should be able to salvage that one. This one, oh goodness. See, this one had quite a, yeah. Okay, but it's got some roots there. Come on, there we go. So hopefully it'll take and it won't rot any further. Hopefully I can save my little Romeo. Oh, it was completely fraught. And dead. Dead. I'm trying to save my Madiba here. I sprinkled a lot of that stuff on it. It was just covered in mealybugs. Look at this. That's not mealybugs. That's the powder stuff. But I mean, look at this. Terrible. So, and then this morning I felt it. And the stump is also starting to go fraught. Oh, yeah, there we go. Look at this. So I'm going to have to chop it and see if I can save it. Like the others. This is my little fantasy aloes. Pink blush, quicksilver, silver star. That's not an aloe. Dickia. What's this one? Wonderkind. Christmas sleigh and Christmas carol. Aren't these so beautiful? Then, oh, I also had some giant Echeveria propagations on the top, but they got a little toasted, so I moved my cactus up here. They seem to be doing well. Oh, look how pretty. So pretty. And then I'm hoping the giant propagations will recover. This was a head chop. Well, that's obviously the head. And then back there, you can see is the stump. I want to do some videos on that as well. Echeveria, that one's dead. And I don't know what these are. I think one is a gingerbread and the other one's a propagation. And this one, what are you? Ugh, look at this. Look at this. Cactus on the top died, but then this thing grew out of it. Okay. Goodness, seriously, what are you? Oh, here we go. It's a purple people eater. Say that 6 times. Here's another one. Wait, let me get back here. Also brought up, and yeah, the cactus pot sprouted. I also lost a barren bulb. Now, it was right next to this one. They were identical. I imported them same time, same soil, same everything. The one went fraught and this one's doing perfectly well. It's even got root at the bottom there. I don't know what the hell happened there. There's a Cheveria rainbow and a Beyonce rainbow. So beautiful. More Beyonces. More rainbow. There's a rainbow, another rainbow. I love rainbows. So beautiful. And here is a flying cloud. So lovely. And it's starting to bloom. So beautiful. Oh, and then check this guy out. Hi, George. Hello. Okay, go chase a cat. Go. Okay. And look at this guy. It fell over. And, yeah. I want to try some of these graft things as well. No idea how to do it, but it looks so cool. There's also one I imported. There's another one I imported. And this one is an Ionium ink painting. Oh, and this one is a Mardi Gras. It needs some stressing. That one is a Ionium Medusa. That one is, apparently this is what the real kiwis look like. It's a cutting, so I just put it here. How's it doing? Come on. Okay, I got it last week from someone. I'm hoping it grows. And those other kiwis that are advertised in nurseries, they're not actually kiwis. They're something else. This is a nigrum I got last year in September, a cutting, Aeonium nigrum. Oh, let me get it in there. We're going into April now, and I got it in September, and it still hasn't died. It's lost a lot of its leaves, obviously, but I think obviously because it's been hot and there's some mealybugs on it. But right through summer it stayed alive. It was obviously dormant. Now I think it's gonna start pumping out roots and hopefully grow because they are live or awake, non-dormant in the winter growing season. So pretty. So I'd like to do an Aeonium propagation video. The problem is I don't know if I have Aeonians anyway that are okay to propagate. Look at dinner plate. I'm so surprised this thing survived because I've had like 3 of them and I can't keep them alive. So this one's coming along. That's a death bloom. I'm going to shit myself. This is not a succulent. It was just an impulse buy because I mean, look at it. How can you not get that? So beautiful. It's a bromeliad. There's another bromeliad that I had. The original one is dead, but the pup seems to be doing okay. I don't remember its name. It's got a name with rabbit in it. Something rabbit. I don't know. But look how beautiful. Another reason I want to do this is that after COVID, for some reason, please ignore my junk here. I don't know. My brain and my mouth have had like a disconnect. I know what I want to say, but when it comes out, it's like, I'm like, what the hell just came out of my mouth? So I should practice speaking again. I don't know. It's so weird. Like, blah, 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 blah. Let's see here. It seems to be okay. Just need some water. Oh, that was a bear paw. Dead. Need some water. This was a Chinese dunce cap. I cannot keep these alive. COVID or not COVID. Oh, this one had a flower. Missed it. Oh no. This chroma was heavily covered in mealybugs. Where is it here? And it's got mealybugs again. Look at these bastards. I need to get something more aggressive like the rose care and do that a lot, and then just stand still. Okay. Rose care and then just soak them in a lot of neem oil. There's so many beautiful ones. All the ones I've lost. Put them here. Whoa! What is that? What is that? I don't know what that is. What is that? Looks like a spider leg. Oh! It's a flower? Where is he? Here it is. This guy. The flower. I have no idea if it's open or closed or if it's like already dried up. But that's how the flowers look like. So beautiful. And creepy at the same time. Okay, so hopefully I might do another video a bit later where I go show you my mushed vetiveria in the garden. It's such a beautiful Aeonium. What is it called? It's those yellow ones, man. Sunburst. Oh, it was huge. Frot. I tried to save what I could of the head, and there was one or two pups, but then the stump was completely frot. Gone. I think it's still there. I'll show you. Look at the mealybugs. Bastards. Oh, baby's toes need water. Okay, this is a fantastic fountain. When I got them, there were two identical ones. Well, one is growing like gangbusters. It even had a flower that I cut off. The other one didn't really take so well, but it has a little pup. So I don't know what the hell. And then, of course, mealybug. Oh, there's just so many here. Oh no! There's another one. Graptopatelum hybrids. It's okay. We will continue living. I'm gonna buy them again. There is a succulent show market thing at the Victoria Gardens next weekend on the 3rd of April. I normally go nuts. So, just as well. Maybe I need the space. Okay, I'll do another video later.